up? Tony here, and a few days ago I told you that we're going to be changing up this channel. It's no longer going to be 100% on auto body repair and custom painting. It's going to be a blend of that, entrepreneurship, online business stuff, and part of my lifestyle. We're going to wrap it all into one channel. And this is the first video where I'm actually going to talk about how I generate multiple streams of income, and I'm going to show you how easily you could do this too. If you have a little bit of knowledge in your head that you want to get out into the world, you can absolutely do this. Let me ask you a question. I'm actually in my unit here in the Philippines. I'm in BGC, Philippines. I'll show you the view when we walk down in just a bit. But would you spend 4 to 5 days of your time, okay? Not full 12-hour days. I'm talking about maybe 4 to 6 hours per day for 5 days, okay? Where you could turn that in and cash that asset into a recurring income of a starting of 50 to 100 bucks per month, and then having it scale from there. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about exactly. So not too long ago, I have multiple books that I sell on Amazon, and not too long ago I did another test. If I can create, so I woke up on a Saturday morning. Literally, this is like 2 months ago. I was in Japan, woke up on a Saturday morning. I'm like, I want to write a book on flipping cars for profit, because that's like one of the main courses I launched back in 2009. Started my online career by selling programs with that. So I created a book. Literally, I woke up, here's the view outside. This is the golf course. I'm in BGC, Manila, Philippines, and this is my unit here. Pretty cool unit, and I'm working right now. I got high ceilings in here, and it looks super cool. Literally, I woke up on a Saturday morning. I'm like, I'm gonna bust out a book, okay? The first day I had all my table of contents done, literally within the first half hour, okay? I wrote a few chapters. It literally took me 4 days of maybe three to 4 hour days, okay, to write a 50-page book, okay? And literally I got it over to my girl. She kind of edited it up quick for me, formatted it, and threw it on. It took no more than 5 days. No more than 5 days to complete the whole process. And I documented, and I've done this multiple times. I have a step-by-step guide I want to show you later on how you could do the same exact thing on any topic on Amazon, okay? We launched a physical and digital book like this. So this is the book, 29 Rules to Car Flipping Success. We just launched it 2 months ago. Okay, it has a 5-star rating, 53 pages, sweet little guide. We launched it, and now it's making me about 60 bucks a month without doing anything. I'm going to show you real sales set. You might think that's not a lot of money, but for a few hours of work, literally, it took me less than 20 hours to complete the whole thing. And you put it up on Amazon. We have digital copies that we sell every day, and we have physical, well, not almost every other day, but we're not even promoting it really, right? You can do physical and digital. So you have both versions available for sale. We launched it, and it's making, here is the dashboard of my Amazon Kindle account, KDP, which you can sell physical and digital copies, okay? So you can see here, my Kindle book sells for $5.97. My paperback sells for $9.97. You can set this. So if we click on reports here, and this is just starting out. We haven't even started promoting. You can buy advertising and everything. But if you just look at the dates, October 6th to November 5th, today's November 5th, you can see that without even doing any promotions, it's selling. The books are selling automatically without me doing any further work on Amazon. And you can see that the royalties that I get, some buy in the Netherlands, Canada, I got some royalties. You can get some, there are a bunch of different locations that Amazon's selling. But you can see that this is the money that I made, $61.03, another $5, another $2 here, just on 1 month of earnings without the book launch. The book launch was a month in September. Let's see if we can go back. September 1, let's just check last 90 days. So this is where we launched it. It kind of took off here a little bit and then kind of died, but then now it's starting to pick up again because it's picking up again because we're getting great reviews on the book. And I'm gonna show you also how to get great reviews on your book. You don't need to have, people think that if they have to, when they write a book, it has to be 200 pages or 150 pages or something huge. Guys, I'm into little short reads that don't take long to create, that provides a ton of value, and they're easy to bang out. I would prefer one of these over a big book any day. As long as it's targeted, it's niched, you can get what you want out of it, and that's pretty much it. And I can sell this for 15 bucks if I want, but I think $9 for a physical copy is pretty good priced, and they're selling. I mean, I sold two. Yes, I sold one today already and two yesterday. It's pretty crazy. You might think that, hey, it's not a lot of money. You're only making a couple of bucks a day. But think about it. I mean, if I let this run on, it's gonna run on autopilot. And if it's generating me 75 bucks a month, right? It's like $900 a year. 750 and 150 is what? $900 a year. 900 bucks a year and keep in mind that as this thing sells, I'm gonna get more reviews, and the more reviews it gets, the more people are gonna buy it, and the more it's gonna show up in relevant books. So when people buy, think about yourself. When you buy books on the internet or even in a bookstore or whatever, don't you buy more than one book on that topic? I do. I know if I'm gonna be learning something, I wanna buy multiple books on that one topic, like real estate investing or stock market investing. I'm buying multiple courses on that one thing so I can get golden nuggets out of this book and this book and this book, and I can see the common theme line and common ideas that everybody has, and I'm like, hey, this probably works because more than one person's talking about this. So pretty cool. So if you're interested in learning about this, I'm gonna be coming out with a step-by-step booklet, just like this again, that shows you my process on how to bang out your first digital and physical book, publish it on Amazon within 5 days flat, and how to get 5-star ratings in the process. So I hope this kind of gave you some ideas that you could be into anything. Maybe you want to create a little health booklet. Maybe you've got a certain method to keeping very, very fit in your own life, this particular style of juicing or whatever, or maybe you're a car mechanic, you want to create a little mod book on how to, customize B16 engines on Hondas or B18 engines, whatever it is. You can create a little book, is what I'm saying. I think 50 pages is the kind of the minimum you want to be at least 50 pages. And it's not hard because you can also add pictures. I only have one picture in my book, but I mean, it's pretty cool. Amazon prints everything out for me, and it's done. And it doesn't have to be long either. Just imagine being able to do that. And then what I could do to this is also throw some paid advertising to it. And that's what I want to do next. Test out some paid advertising, get it kind of bumped up in Amazon and shown a little bit more in that topic, and to make more sales. And the cool thing is, this is pretty much just a front end offer. It's a front end offer to sell my in-depth training program, because in the book, it actually tells you to go check out my other website where I sell them other upgrades and other programs and membership sites and video courses. So it's a great way to get leads to build your business. Okay, so don't think just, it's a $10 book or a $5 ebook, right? That's just the front end. Okay, you're making money on that, not huge, life-changing, but the leads you get from that go over to your website, check you out, and buy your other programs is where the real money is made. And I mean, this is something that I did back in 2009. I launched my first online program called the F1 Auto Cash Formula, teaching people how to flip cars for profit. And in my first month, I generated $4,500 in sales, 4,500 bucks, all online. I had no physical book. This is something I recently started getting into about 1.5 years ago, about maybe 2 years now. And I'm gonna do more of it. I'm gonna do more of it because I think it's long-term, I think it works, and I think you should be doing it too, And don't have the thought of who am I? Who am I to publish a book? Who am I? Because you are somebody. You do have something special inside of you that you can get out to the world, and it doesn't matter what topic it is. So if you're interested, let me know. Comment below, let me know what you think about this video. Talk to you soon. I hope you enjoyed it. It's something very, very different from, you know, the car videos that I've been making. But this is just a peek inside of my life, how I travel, how I live, and how I enjoy life while making multiple streams of income online. And you know, if you want to learn how to do it, you absolutely could do it. It's Tony here. Talk to you soon. Have a good day. If you want to learn more, if you're on YouTube, click the link right over here in the cards or down below to learn more on how you can do this yourself and create an extra source of income for you and your family. Talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye.
Because I have it in slow-mo and stuff. Where's your mic?
Hey, what's up? My mic is over here. I should hook it up. Yeah, good idea.